Changing the email link to your Google account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your current email address and password to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Personal Information. Once logged in, find the Personal Info section on the left-hand menu. Click on it to view your account details. Step 3. Select Email. In the Personal Info section, look for the Contact Info area and click on Email. This will show you the email addresses associated with your account. Step 4. Change your email address. Click on the option to edit your email address. You may need to verify your identity by entering your password again. Follow the prompts to enter your new email address. Step 5. Verify your new email. After entering the new email, Google will send a verification link to that address. Check your new email inbox, click the link, and confirm the change to finalize the process. Now you have successfully changed the email link to a Google account. Make sure to update any services that rely on your old email address.